Welcome back, I'm Sean. I've recently started checking out Tranya's earbuds and today I'm checking out one that is honestly quite awesome, so let's check it out. So the Tranya Nova today was sent over to me by Tranya Malaysia for a review, and this is not a sponsored post and my review will be based on my honest and unbiased opinion. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. The Nova retails for about $79.90 US or about 359 Malaysian ringgit. It might not be your typical budget earbuds, but as a mid-range ANC earbuds, I think it gives you pretty good performance to value ratio. So if you're interested in buying one, do check out my links below. The Tranya Nova is designed like 80% of earbuds in the market today. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but sometimes when reviewing so many earbuds, it's natural to crave uniqueness and individuality of earbuds. But from a consumer perspective, sometimes it's better to have stability or familiarity from different brands, so you know that it works. So the case here has a very nice navy blue color in a properly candied shell, so it's really shiny and nice, but it's definitely a fingerprint magnet. So at the front of the case here is an LED indicator, and you get a subtle Tranya logo at the back of the hinge here, as well as a small button for you to check the battery life of the case. At the bottom of the case is your Type-C charging port to charge up the earbuds in the case. And with that, you're also going to get a nice wireless charging feature to charge up the case and the earbuds wirelessly. There are some cool features here, so we'll talk about them later in the battery section. The lid opens up nice and smoothly, but it doesn't have a hinge to hold itself open, so it will slam shut when you tilt it around. And inside here, you're gonna get your very standard AirPods Pro style earbuds with a short stem and nice seamless charging contacts at the bottom here. So far, a good and standard earbuds, but really nothing too much to shout about design-wise. So battery life on these earbuds is pretty impressive, and with ANC, you're gonna get about approximately 6 to 7 hours of battery and 18 extra hours with the case. This is of course depending on the volume that you play your music at, and without ANC, the battery goes up to 9 hours and about 27 additional hours with the case, so very impressive. You're also gonna get cable quick charging, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours of use without ANC, and Tranya also throws in quick charging for wireless chargers, so 30 minutes will give you 2 hours of juice without ANC, but I believe this also depends on the wireless charger that you use and what is its speed. So you're gonna get a comfortable listening volume at about 30% and it starts to get loud at about 70%. You're gonna get quite a lot of range with these earbuds, and for me 80% really already starts to get really loud and I wouldn't push it any further. So you're gonna get pretty good volume here with the Nova. So Tranya also gives you very good specs from the price that you're paying. You're gonna get a Qualcomm QCC3072 chipset. Not flagship, but still a very good chipset. And you're gonna get Bluetooth 5.3 with aptX adaptive support, AAC and SBC. Extremely ideal for an earbuds like the Nova. So the earbuds also gets IPX5 water resistant rating, so you can use these earbuds under the rain and it shouldn't have any problems. Tranya also uses a technology here called the Tranya Sonic Max, which is said to improve audio dynamic range and sound quality. So let's talk about sound quality in a short while. You're also gonna get standard seamless left and right earbuds playback, and that's quite standard feature that Qualcomm pioneered with the different master-slave feature back then, and with Qualcomm's latest chipset, these are now come as standard. Finally, you're also going to get a 2-device multi-point connectivity with these earbuds. So a very good execution from Tranya in terms of ANC, and here you're going to get something really good, but not in par with other flagship earbuds, but for what you're paying for, I think these are very well performing ANC earbuds. So using this for low humming noises such as the road noise or airplane cabin noises, these earbuds do an okay job, but they are not absolutely quiet. You're still gonna get to hear your environment noises. However, if you have music playing in a decent volume, this will block out those noises. When using this in a noisy cafe, it's going to help you reduce your surrounding noise by about 50%, but you definitely need music playing to start masking your environment completely. So transparency mode here gets a slight amplification and mimics you not wearing any earbuds. You don't get that super heightened senses for the transparency mode, but good enough to talk to others if your music is played at a low volume. Anything other than that, you still kind of need to remove your earbuds. And with that, I'm rating these earbuds still a very impressive 8.7 out of 10. So the Tranya app is also a very nicely designed app, and at the homepage here you're going to get the earbuds design as well as their respective battery percentage, which includes the case as well. So you get several features including an EQ control, which gets you a nice 10-band equalizer and 4 presets to choose from. You can also customize the controls of your earbuds and you get to control almost everything from volume to gaming mode. And for the first time, I see a company that allows you to remap quadruple and quintuple taps for your earbuds, which is super cool. So you also get to toggle gaming mode here and you get to select the different noise cancelling modes on your earbuds. And I'm surprised that toggling this actually changes the EQ of the earbuds, and when toggling from normal mode to noise cancelling, I noticed that the bass got significantly bassier. So apart from that, you're also going to get to update your firmware over the air when there's a new one, and that's pretty much all the feature you get with the Tranya app. So the default EQ by Tranya is very flat, balanced signature, and you're getting emphasized vocals and highs, but not a lot on the bass performance, and honestly, out of the box, a lot of it sounds very muffled. However, boosting the EQ manually proves that the earbuds is actually capable of producing decent bass, so when you get this earbuds, the first thing to do is to mess around with the EQ to find something that you like. So let me break down the EQ part by part to talk about the sound signature of these earbuds. So bass performance is actually quite good, but it's not accentuated out of the box, especially the sub-bass performance. Mid-bass performance is also good and it hums properly good, but the star of the earbuds is actually the mid-bass and not the sub-bass. So mid-vocals performs really well and sounds really clear, and the highs are also really nice sounding with good separation of instruments and vocals. You're getting all the best chimes with these earbuds and they sound absolutely great. My only problem is that this is not defaulted out of the box and the tuning out of the box isn't their best. So perhaps it's something that Tranya needs to look into. So this is a test to see if the Tranya Nova is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So with Tranya, you're gonna get the same 40 milliseconds latency here with the Nova, similar to the T6 that we've checked out. With gaming mode turned on, the latency when gaming is decently good, but not absolutely lag-free. As you can see, there's actually a minor delay. With movies and videos, I think they're pretty good. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So I think these are pretty good earbuds overall and have very good performance, but I think that these are features and performance that you can get at a fraction of price with earbuds from Edifier and other competition out there. Whether it's worth $80 US, that I'm not too sure. So what do you think about the Nova? Is it something that you will get? So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash the thumbs up button, share this video everywhere. If you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.